Amazing, from barren to the building. The journey of Gamzen. We help make India from barren to beautiful. From barren land, we help construct structures, offices, residential complexes, malls, our products help build some of the most prestigious projects of India. Our projects are pride. These are some of the assets owned by Gamzen. The assets which are custom made with extreme precision. Our machines are a hallmark of quality. Quality which helps build not just edifices but the pride of India. We help make India from barren to beautiful. Our clients who trust in us and our quality. Gamzen, building India, building the world.